everyone, and welcome to Language Avenue. I'm Emma, and if you're listening right now, you've already taken a very important step.
Yes, you really have. Because today is all about your first real English conversation. Not perfect English, not textbook English. Real, natural English.
And if you're feeling a little nervous, that's completely okay. Most people feel that way before they speak a new language for the first time.
We know that feeling. The words are in your head, but when it's time to speak, everything suddenly feels quiet.
Very quiet. And your mind says, what do I say first?
That's why this episode exists. We want to help you start speaking English in a calm, friendly way, like a conversation you'd have with someone sitting across from you at a cafe.
No pressure, no stress, no complicated grammar rules, just simple sentences, natural expressions, and real conversation flow.
When people say real conversation, they often imagine something fast and difficult. But real conversations actually start very simply.
Things like saying hello, asking how someone is, talking a little about yourself. That's real English, and you can do that.
Absolutely. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to sound like you.
Today, Alex and I will talk slowly and clearly, and we'll show you how a beginner conversation really sounds.
You'll hear how we greet each other, how we respond naturally, and how we keep the conversation going without feeling stuck.
And the best part? You can listen first, then try speaking along with us. Even quietly, even just in your head.
That still counts. Every small step counts.
Think of this episode as practice with friends. Friends who want you to feel comfortable, confident, and proud of yourself.
Because learning English isn't about being perfect, it's about connecting.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and remind yourself, you're allowed to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
And today, you're starting something exciting, your first real English conversation.
So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's begin together.
So, Alex, let's imagine this. Someone is listening right now, and they want to have their very first real conversation in English. What is the first thing they usually say?
Almost always, hello. And that's perfect. Simple, clear, and very real.
Yes, you don't need anything complicated. Just hello or hi is enough to start.
And you can add something small after that, like, hello, how are you? This is one of the most common and useful sentences in English.
People sometimes worry about that question. They think, do I need to tell my whole life story?
Please don't. You don't have to. Most of the time, the answer is very short.
For example, you can say, I'm good, thank you, or I'm fine, or even, I'm okay.
All of these are correct. And after that, you can ask the same question back. How are you?
That's already a real conversation. You said hello, you asked a question, and you responded. That's huge.
Yes, don't underestimate these small steps. This is exactly how conversations work in real life.
Let's give a full example. I'll start. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
And that's it. That's a complete beginner conversation.
And you can already practice that at home. Say it out loud, even if it feels strange at first.
It's okay to feel shy. Speaking a new language always feels a little uncomfortable in the beginning.
But the more you say these simple sentences, the more natural they feel.
Now, let's add one more small step. After greeting someone, it's very common to say your name.
You can say, my name is, or simply, I'm.
For example, my name is Emma, or I'm Emma.
Both are natural. I'm is very common in everyday English.
And after you say your name, you can ask the other person's name.
You can ask, what's your name? Or a little more politely, what's your name?
Same words, just a nicer tone.
Tone matters, but don't worry too much. People understand you're learning.
Let's try another short example. Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That sentence, nice to meet you, is very important.
Yes, you'll use it again and again when you meet new people.
And you don't need to say it perfectly. Even nice meet you is okay at first. People will understand.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection.
After names, many conversations move to a very simple topic, where you're from.
This is a great topic for beginners because the sentences are short and useful.
You can say, I'm from, and then your country, your city.
I'm from Italy, or I'm from Brazil, or I'm from Seoul.
And to ask, you can say, where are you from?
Let's try that together. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice is a great reaction, very natural.
You can also say, that's nice, or cool, or oh, really?
Small reactions keep the conversation alive.
And you see, we're not using difficult grammar, just short sentences.
This is how real conversations start, simple, friendly, and slow.
Now, sometimes after that, people ask, what do you do?
This question means your job or what you study.
You can answer, I'm a student, or I work in an office, or I'm a teacher.
And if you don't want to talk about work, that's okay too.
You can say, I'm studying right now, or I'm learning English.
That's a great answer, actually.
Yes, especially today.
Let's put everything together in one longer but still simple conversation.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from the UK.
Oh, nice.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm learning English.
That's great.
That's a real conversation, and you can do this.
Yes, maybe not perfectly at first, but that's okay.
The goal is not speed. The goal is comfort.
Speak slowly. Take your time. English allows that.
And remember, most people are kind. They want to understand you.
And every time you try, you're improving.
You're already speaking English right now by listening, thinking, and practicing.
That's how your first real English conversation begins.
Now, something very important happens in real conversations, and beginners often worry about it. Silence.
Yes, that quiet moment when you think, oh no, what do I say next?
And the truth is, silence is normal. Even native speakers pause and think.
Silence doesn't mean you failed. It just means your brain is working.
So let's talk about how to keep the conversation going in a very easy way.
One of the easiest tools is simple follow-up questions.
For example, if someone says, I'm from Japan, you can ask, oh, where in Japan?
Or if they say, I'm a student, you can ask, what do you study?
These questions don't need long answers. Even short answers are enough.
And if you don't understand the answer, that's okay too.
You can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Or, sorry, can you say that again?
These are very polite and very normal sentences.
Let's practice that feeling. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, nice. Which city?
I'm from Madrid.
Oh, I like Madrid.
And see, that's already a longer conversation.
You don't need interesting ideas. You just need interest.
Exactly. Being curious is more important than being fluent.
Another very useful sentence is, what about you?
Yes, this sentence is powerful.
After you answer a question, you can say, what about you? And give the other person a turn.
For example, I'm from Brazil. What about you?
This keeps the conversation balanced and natural.
And it also gives you time to think.
Very important.
Let's talk about another common situation, when you don't know a word.
This happens to everyone, even advanced learners.
When you don't know a word, you don't stop speaking. You go around it.
You can describe the idea in simple words.
Instead of a difficult word, you can say, it's like, or it's a thing that, and that's okay.
Native speakers do this too. Another helpful sentence is, how do you say in English?
This shows you're learning, and people usually like helping.
And again, no shame in asking.
Asking questions is part of real communication.
Let's imagine a small moment where you forget a word. I like, the thing where you listen to music with people.
Oh, a concert?
Yes, a concert.
And that's it. Problem solved.
You didn't stop, you didn't panic, you communicated.
That's success.
Now let's talk about something emotional, confidence.
Confidence doesn't come before speaking, it comes after speaking.
Every small conversation builds it.
Even one sentence is progress.
And you don't need to speak fast. Slow English is good English.
Slowing speaking helps people understand you better.
And it helps you think.
Always helpful.
Let's do one more natural example, something you might say every day. Hi, how are you today?
I'm okay. I'm a little tired.
Oh, really? Why?
I worked a lot today.
I see. Same for me.
And just like that, you shared something real.
Real conversations are not perfect. They're honest.
And that's what makes them meaningful.
If you remember only one thing from today, remember this.
You don't need perfect English to have a real conversation.
You just need the courage to start. And as we come to the end of this conversation, we want you to pause for a moment and notice something.
You've already listened to a real English conversation from beginning to end.
You heard greetings, questions, answers, small mistakes, pauses, just like real life.
And if you understood even part of it, that means you're already communicating in English.
Your first real English conversation doesn't start when you speak perfectly. It starts when you try.
Every hello, every how are you, every small answer matters.
And it's okay if your voice shakes. It's okay if you need time. It's okay if you make mistakes.
That's not failure, that's learning.
Real conversations are not about impressing people. They're about connecting.
And you can connect in English, one sentence at a time.
So after this episode, try something small. Say hello to someone. Introduce yourself. Ask one simple question.
Let English be part of your life, not something you're afraid of.
You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
We're really glad you spent this time with us.
And we'll be right here, walking with you as your English grows.
Until next time, be kind to yourself.
You're doing better than you think.